Good morning, guys. Thanks for watching. During this new normal, guys, many of the things that we are used to are some of our lifestyles must be changed because there are things that there are things that we do yesterday that are no longer allowed to be done today. Like we are obliged to stay at home, but we can still be productive while staying at home. Like for instance, doing a vlog on how to cook that one, how to cook this one, share your memorable moments. And for that, we will assist you on how to make a YouTube channel. We will show you the ways and how to do so in just a simple and very easy way. So please watch our video till the end. Okay, in making a YouTube channel, guys, you must have to have first a Gmail account, then an internet connection, and also your smartphone or your Android phone. Okay guys, so let's begin. With your smartphone, please download the YouTube app from the Google Play Store, but most of the smartphones today has already a YouTube app, so no need for you to download that one. Just please open the app. Okay, so tap the YouTube app and then hit the icon in the upper right, and then tap manage account, and then click the plus button in the upper right, checking info, and you'll be routed to input your email address, or if you already have, or if you do not have one yet, you may create a new one. You'll just need to input some information regarding about yourself, and once done, hit I agree. And then you will be routed to your YouTube app. And ta-da! A new channel was created. Just please look at the upper right icon here. Your channel will appear. Then tap this one, and you'll have an option to change your channel name. Any name as long as it's unique or it best describe what your channel is all about. So you can choose that one by yourself. And yes, that would be all. So it's just very easy. So congratulations, you have just created your YouTube channel, and we hope that we can be friends. Let me thank you, Charot Yes Channel, for sponsoring our internet connection and for supporting our channel. Please subscribe her, guys, and I hope you learned something. Have a blessed day ahead.